Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making spinach and Parmesan crusted chicken. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need chicken breast, frozen spinach, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, minced garlic, Panko breadcrumbs, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Start by straining your Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Place it to the side for later. Butterfly the chicken breast. Tenderize the chicken breast. Season chicken breast to taste with seasoned oil, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Flip the chicken breast and repeat the previous step. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of frozen spinach, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and mix. Season spinach mixture to taste with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, and seasoned oil. In a cast iron skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Grill chicken breast on both sides for 5 minutes. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a pan, add your chicken breast and top with spinach mixture, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Bake for 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. In a bowl, add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and a half cup of Parmesan cheese and mix. Sprinkle breadcrumbs on top of chicken and place under the boiler for 3 minutes. And there you have it, spinach and Parmesan crusted chicken. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Memphis be cooking.